Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so we've got a phosphorus atom. We need to know what orbital of a phosphorus atom does an electron experience the greatest shielding, right? We've got phosphorus, and what we're interested in is like 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. Okay, well, recall uh, what shielding is all about. Shielding is when you've got some electron, right, around an atom, and you've got the nucleus of that atom, perhaps, and that in between, like, remember, the electrons are attracted to the nucleus, right? But the thing is if I have another electron, another low level electron in between the electron, the outermost electron, and the nucleus, right? Well, two negative things are going to repel each other, right? Right. The more electrons I have in the inner shells, the more repulsion that this electron is going to feel. Okay. So essentially, the further this electron is out from the nucleus, the more shielding it's going to feel because the more electrons are going to be in between it and the nucleus. Right. So we can pretty much just easily say, 3p, because 3p is the furthest from the nucleus, right? It's going to have the most electrons. If this is kind of ordered in energy, in terms of energy, but also closeness to the nucleus, right? 1s are closer to the nucleus than 2s, which are closer to the nucleus than 2p, which are closer to the nucleus than 3s, which are closer to the nucleus than 3p, and so forth, right? Um, So for this selection of orbitals, it's pretty obvious that these are the furthest away, and there will be the most electrons between the 3p orbital and the attractive nucleus for the electrons in the 3p orbital. So yeah, the answer here is 3p.